asta Tony Road
Chedu Dev Birante Chedu. Chedu. What's up guys, my name is Nigel Vegas. Today we are gonna react to Fotkirea Mogachi Game by Valencio De Caranzalem. And I don't know that much about music, but I'm a videographer as well, so mostly gonna review the video. So let's get into it. I feel that this accident scene could be staged a bit better. Like things start malli and magite modele. Or instead of that we could show it more dramatically, like if she was taking a turn and then they are coming really fast and then I'm just saying. But assume good job to the videographer for putting bird sounds to set the ambience of the video. Slow motion to show that the couple is in love, Oh, पहली बार ही देखा मैंने उसको, मोहब्बत हो गया. Good job. That there was a good shot. Like firstly it's like a frame within a frame, because like the mirror is making so basically the frame within a frame is like when you look for frames within the thing you capture. So the mirror is creating a frame and then she's placed, the actress is placed in the frame. So good job videographer.
Orange Kudo Munta Mogat Dode Asona Moga Nastana Konachi Ishta Birad Disona Moga Nastana Ite Kurchete.
I like the way that they set up the story, like they didn't show the love scenes happening straight away. They were like building it up by like the guy looking at the girl and the good deeds that the girl is doing. That's really good.
Kaitek tuka somzona Tori asta Tony Road
Chedu Dev Birante Chedu. Chedu. Good job.
Oi Moga Nastana Mukto Tuka Fuloita Oir Tuka Zoroita Dukani Tuka Rodoita
When he said Dukani Tuka Rodoita, my shining emotion the like him in like a sad state, but then it's alright.
Mukto Tuka Fuloita Oir Tuka Zoroita Dukani Tuka Rodoita Oir Tan Sogala Udoita.
त्यांक ड्रोन शॉट चोड यूज केले. Like instead of using the drone shot, you could do something with the story, like build the story up. But you know, तुका किती जाता ते पळया तुम्ही. I don't know.
कुणानी बोरे होरीप चेडू मून हांव लायक करूंक लागलो तुका.
So like example like हे दाखोवच्या पयलीं थिंगा ड्रोन शॉट दाखोवच्या पयलीं हिंगा लायक ते कहे लायक त्या स्मॉल सिनांनी ते दाखोवपा जाताले कहे ते मोगान पडले ते. Over here you're showing the meeting straight away, so you know, like even like chatting on WhatsApp or Facebook, whatever people are using these days.
गाडीच मोचे खोशे नाचोंक लागले I love you तुवे मून.
Direct to मातशें like build up कर मरे, like direct मोदी नो, like build it up, build the story up, man. Like that will make the video more interesting. You get me?
Toz maka London.
But I understand, like we have only, it's just a 6-minute video, you can't fit all the clips inside, but yeah, good job.
Kamko talo Uyshe dattalo काहीच पुढे जाऊन दिवंक ना तुका. तू म्हाका फोटोयता म्हूण खबर आसली गांवच्या लोकांक फ्लॅट घेवन तुज्या नांवार केल्ले. विश्वास आसलो देखून तुजे.
But yeah, the story build up, I'm liking it. I'm liking the second guy coming in, and it's the same guy. कित्याक like कित्याक deep जाता, कित्याक like तो friend आसलो न्हू पयलो, तोच आतां पुतून देखोडा आलो.
स्वप्नांपासून हांवें चिंतूंक ना आडयेत मूड मोगाचे. सरप्राईज दिवंक म्हणून तुका उबो रावलो येऊन दाराचेर.
This shot here, this shot over here. One second.
Surprise दिवंक म्हणून.
Like when the camera is moving forward, this is like a point of view shot. But then म्हाका दिसले like तो येयलो म्हण already भितर. पण मागीर तुमी कट केले.
तुका उबो रावलो
Cut the scene again and then showed a point of view.
येऊन दाराचेर.
So this I would have the camera in front of the character and like have him like move with his hand in front, and then he opens the door. I'm agir from the hai. But this works as well. But it would be better if you had did it that way. But then time asnar but चिंतपाक नो, so कितें करूया.
तू दुसऱ्याक घेवन रावता तेंपून बालो मारलो दिसलो काळजाचेर.
Was that a mark shot? Alright. I like the mark shot over there. It's really good. Good job, videographer.
तू म्हाका जिवितान जाय आसले हीच आसली म्हजी एम. पूण म्हाका
I really like the actress, like her acting is really good. No, but yeah.
खबर नासलेली तू केवता फोटकिऱ्या मोगाची गेम. तुजे नोदरे मोगाक वालोर ना तुका जाय.
I like the way they changed the color grade to show him like thinking about the past. Cause like over here, the color grade is a bit less saturated with the colors, so that the audience knows it is in the past.
Ay poise नेम आणि फेम गुन्यांव नासताना म्हाका सोडूंक सोदी घालून मोचेर सोगली प्ले अशें कित्याक केलें विचारल्या ते म्हणटा व्हडलो लूजर ताचो बॉयफ्रेंड खूंय व्हडलो डान्सर पयशे तशे आसा बरे ना थोडी मोगा परस पयशांक वालोर दिता.
Is this not the same guy that was there in the car before, or am I mistaken? But एक second पोया. Yeah, it's the same guy.
थोडी मोगा परस पयशांक वालोर दिता इश्टा हे तूं जाणा जावं तुवें कश करून जोडलेले पयशे तूं तुजेशी सांबाळ पयशे धाडून पिश्या कोणा करिना काय तुजी जोडलेली जोड सांबाळ.
Final review, the song is actually nice. Like it's like for the song to sound, what am I saying, the song sounds good. For the video, there could be some things that could be improved, that could be there are some things that were done really well. So I would give 7 out of 10. If you're a singer and have like a video with a story, please send me your videos. Send me a link to your videos on my Instagram, which is over here, or just message me and just comment down below. And yeah, thank you very much. See you until the next time.